Hello friends, welcome back to KwaiCut. Today we're learning how to create scrolling text. I'll show you two simple methods, one using built-in text animation and another using keyframes for full control. Both techniques are fast and perfect for titles, credits, or news-style lower thirds. I'll walk you step by step so you can follow along and recreate each effect. Let's jump in and make some scrolling text. I've added a video for this tutorial. First, we need to add a text. At the bottom toolbar, you'll find the Subtitle button. To add a title, tap on Subtitle, then tap on Add Subtitle. A text entry box will appear, where you can type your desired text. I've already added some text as an example. For better visibility, I've changed the default color of the text. I've increased the duration of the text so it stays on screen longer. Now go to the Edit option of the text. You'll find the Edit button at the bottom toolbar. Next, open the Animation section. From here, choose Loop Animation. You'll see two scroll animations, Pop-up Scroll and Subtitle Scroll. Subtitle Scroll moves the text from bottom to top. You can also adjust the animation duration based on your preference. It starts from below the screen and disappears at the top. Pop-up scroll moves the text from right to left. It begins off-screen on the right side and exits on the left. You can also adjust the animation duration based on your preference. However, the problem with built-in animations is that you don't get full control over the movement. That's why I personally prefer using keyframes for scrolling text. It gives you complete flexibility. Now let's see how to create scrolling text using keyframes. First, select your text and place the playhead at the starting point of the timeline. Just below the preview screen, you'll find a diamond-shaped keyframe icon. Tap on it to add your first keyframe. This marks the starting position of the text. Next, move the playhead to the end of the clip. You'll notice the keyframe icon has now changed to a pen-like icon. Tap on it again and select Add to create your second keyframe. Now, at the first keyframe, move the text to the right side, completely off-screen. Then move the playhead to the second keyframe and shift the text to the left side, also off-screen. Now when you play the video, your text will smoothly scroll from right to left, creating a professional scrolling effect. Now, let's see how to control animation using keyframes. For example, suppose I want to freeze this text for a few seconds in the middle. First, move the playhead forward a few seconds and position the text at the center of the screen. A third keyframe will be automatically added at this position. Next, move the playhead forward a couple more seconds and keep the text in the same center position. A fourth keyframe will be automatically created there. Now if you play the video, you'll notice that the text starts moving from the first keyframe and stops at the second. Between the second and third keyframes, the text stays still, creating a pause effect. After the third keyframe, the text begins moving again. And that's how you can take full control of your animation using keyframes. And that's it. Now you know how to create smooth scrolling text in KwaiCut using both text animation and keyframes. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you found it useful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.